In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Google AdSense for website, only in 3 steps. First, let's prepare your website so it looks real, complete, and trustworthy. Google wants to see that your site represents a genuine brand or publisher, not a placeholder. Make sure you have key pages live and easy to find in your header or footer, about us, contact us, and a clear privacy policy. If you can, include terms and conditions as well. These pages signal transparency and accountability, which builds trust with both users and reviewers. Next, focus on strong content. Aim for 15 to 30 high-quality articles. Each one should be at least 800 to 1500 words, original, and genuinely helpful. Structure your posts with clear headings as readable paragraphs and relevant internal links. Avoid copied, spun, or low-value AI content. Thin or duplicate articles are a common reason for rejection. Prioritize informational topics that solve problems or answer questions, not just affiliate-heavy posts. The goal is to show consistent depth and usefulness across your site. Round out your basics. Use a custom domain rather than a subdomain. Make sure your design is mobile-friendly and keep pages loading fast. Clean navigation matters. Visitors should find content in 1 or 2 clicks. Fix broken links and remove placeholder pages. A quick pass on your phone and a simple speed test can reveal easy wins. When your site is ready, apply for Google AdSense. Head to the AdSense website, sign in with your Google account, and click Get Started. Enter your website URL and country, then add your site. You'll receive an AdSense verification code. Copy that code and paste it into your website's head section so Google can confirm ownership. If you're on WordPress, you can place the code in your theme header or use the Site Kit by Google plugin to connect and verify more easily. Once the code is in place, submit your site for review. Now it's time to wait and get approved. Reviews typically take 1 to 14 days. During this period, Google checks your content quality, site structure, policy compliance, and overall user experience. If everything looks good, you'll be approved and can start showing ads. If you're rejected, don't worry. Carefully read the feedback, improve your content, navigation, or policies based on what they flag, and reapply after making those changes. Many sites get in on the second try once issues are fixed. Follow these 3 steps with care, stay focused on quality, and you'll be well on your way to AdSense approval.